Hi everyone, my name is Amélie Dupé and I am a talent attraction advisor for Montreal International, the economic promotion agency for Greater Montreal, whose mandate is to support companies in the recruitment of talent internationally and to promote Greater Montreal as a destination for a career and for life. Today I am going to talk about the Journées Québec Tech, a virtual recruitment event that will take place from April 25 to May 1st. This event, organized in collaboration with the Ministère de l'Immigration, de la Francisation et de l'Intégration, targets experienced and qualified workers from around the world in the information technology sector. So, if you are an IT professional and want to move to Montreal, this video is for you. In the recent years, the Montreal area has established itself as a technology hub. Several tech companies such as fintech, cybersecurity, and cloud computing are in full swing. This reputation has attracted giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook, as well as talent from all over the world. Greater Montreal is now ranked 5th among the 20 largest cities in Canada and the United States in terms of concentration of technology jobs. It is in this very positive context that the second edition of the Journées Québec Tech has officially launched, and candidates can apply to the many open positions until April 17. I will give you all the information to participate in this exclusive recruitment event. First, I will present the participating companies as well as the open positions, and then I will explain how to apply to these open positions. Here we go. For this second edition, almost 50 companies specializing in high technology will be participating in this event to recruit the best talent around the world. From small to medium companies, startup or large groups, a very diverse crowd will be represented. These companies represent several promising sectors such as engineering, digital transformation, consulting, cybersecurity, e-commerce, CRM, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, financial services, video games, or digital audio. As part of this global recruitment event, more than 200 jobs in the information technology sector will be made available, including positions such as developer in multiple technologies, business intelligence, IT business analysts, DevOps, Scrum Master, server administrators, technology architects, cybersecurity specialists, IT project managers, quality assurance, design, and many more. So how to apply? To apply, it only takes 6 steps and it's very easy. First, you have to go to talentmontreal.com and select the Journées Québec Tech event. Once you have clicked on the event, you will arrive on the homepage where you will find all the important information, the key dates, the process to apply, as well as the position to be filled. You just have to search among the featured job offers the one that corresponds to your profile. Please note that you can apply for multiple job offers as part of this event, as long as you have the skills, of course. Once you click on the offer you want to apply to, you will be invited to create your profile and password in a few minutes. Make sure you have your resume in French and/or English in PDF format nearby, as you will need to upload it to your candidate profile. After creating your profile, you will be invited to apply for the offer you have selected. You will then be able to have an overview of your profile as it will be presented to the recruiter. Depending on the employer, you may have up to 2 pre-selection questions to complete. Answer them carefully because 1, this may be a first way of selection for the company, and 2, the system does not allow you to change your answers. As a reminder, the deadline to apply is April 17. So this is step number 5, only one more to go after this one. Here you will have to fill in your interview availabilities. In order to do so, you must make sure that you have applied for an offer via the Journées Québec Tech recruitment event, which is normally done automatically, but just check it just in case. Then you must enter all your availabilities as part of the mission for an interview that will take place between April 25 and May 1st. By default, all time slots are selected, indicating to recruiters that you are available on all these time slots. In order to maximize your chances of success, you should select as much availability as possible to ensure an interview with a recruiter. Then submit your application by clicking Confirm. We come to the last step, the invitation to an interview. If you are invited by a recruiter for an interview between April 25 and May 1st, you will receive 2 emails. The first email will be the confirmation of your interview, which will inform you about the date and time of your interview, the duration of the interview, the name of the recruiter you will meet. In a second email, you will receive the link for the video conference for you to take part in the interview. Know that the Montreal platform has also a lot of things to help you prepare for the interview. So just go to talentmontreal.com and you will find a lot of things on how to write your CV like a pro, preparing for an interview. So do not hesitate to visit our site to read our article on how to write your resume, prepare for your interview with a recruiter from Montreal. This ends my presentation. If you want to turn your dream of living in Montreal a reality, go to talentmontreal.com and apply before April 17. To be informed on our upcoming events in other sectors, please visit our Facebook page and LinkedIn Talent Montreal. This is now the time for me to wish you good luck during your interviews as part of the Journées Québec Tech. Thank you for your attention.